This will be a video tutorial on how to find your saved jobs on the Indeed app. I will be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Indeed app. To find your saved jobs on Indeed, the first thing you want to do is go up to the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says My Jobs and tap on My Jobs. And from here, you have tabs across the top up here: Saved, Applied, Interviews. And if you scroll over a little bit, Archived. You want to make sure it's on the Saved, and then your saved jobs are right down here. And that is how you find your saved jobs on Indeed using the mobile app. Thanks for watching.